Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm fine. Hope you had a good day. So today, I want to do something I've been meaning to do for a long time. I want to try some words that I've learned in Korean. They may sound so funny, but I'm trying. Let me just try. Listen, let me give a trial to some informal Korean ones. Not really sure. Saying hello and bye. I'll say 안녕하세요. That's one. Hello and goodbye. 안녕하세요. Is that the way we pronounce it? You comment below and tell me. 안녕하세요. What else do I know? Cheers. Cheers. What do you say cheers in Korean? Goodbye. Goodbye or goodbye. I think something like that. The third one. Mohai. Mohai. Meaning, what are you doing? Mohai. It sounds like something in Kenya. Moai. Mohai, how are you doing? What are you doing? I mean, sorry. Mohai, what are you doing? We have a word in Kikuyu in Kenya. Moahe. Then I'll try to say good morning in Korean. 저 아침이요. 저 아침이요. That is good morning. But is, as I understand, is in the informal language, not the. I'm learning little by little. So then another one. Goodbye. Goodbye. Please. Please don't. Goodbye. Please. Then there's another one. Jeja. Jeja. Good night. Jeja. Good night. Then to Oh, you say that is yes. Then there's another one. 아니요. 아니요. Meaning no. My children enjoy saying Anio. That means no. What else do I know? Gomao. 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 I think that means thank you. If I'm pronouncing the right way, Gomao. 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 Yeah. Means thank you. Koreans, come and save me here. Then to say okay, you say gore. Gore. Okay. 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 Am I ending anywhere? It's not easy for a foreign language. Then there's another common one. Chija. Chija. Really? Really? Then another one. Where? Meaning why? Then Miani. I am sorry. If I step on your toes, I'll tell you, Miani. But the way they sound, it will be very different from mine. Then another one. Zero. I don't like it. Goodness. I think those are the few ones I know. I'll try to perfect as the time goes by. Yaga. Then I think there is something like Mia Tsiyo. What is it? Pronunciation won't be a problem. Foreigners trying to learn. Keep encouraging us. Okay. Foreign language. Don't laugh at me. I'm just trying. What do you think? Comment below and tell me the right pronunciations.